How to cancel order and get refund on Temu. Let's get started. First, launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to the U tab. Once you're over here, different options will appear. Navigate to the option Your Orders. Here you're gonna find different section. Head over to the section Processing. In this page, you're gonna find all the orders that you have made. Select the item that you wanna cancel and get the refund for. Select the item, then click on the option Cancel Checked Items. Now you'll need to provide a valid reason why do you want to cancel your order. Once you do that, you'll be directed to next page where you'll need to select your refund method. So you can check in for the option Your Original Payment Method. If you want to select any other payment method, over there you're going to get the option, just check in for it. Then provide the details. Once you select it, click on Submit. And just for that, you have cancelled your order and you'll get the refund in few days. So that's the wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.